Hello guys, I hope that you guys are fine and doing well. So I am back with another video, and this video is going to be very different, okay, from the videos I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be about ACCA. ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Okay, so it's a qualification that United Kingdom offers you, and you can become an accountant by completing ACCA. You can become a chartered accountant by completing ACCA, and there are many roles that you can do if you are an ACCA qualified or an ACCA member. Okay, so ACCA is like a globally recognized body. It's recognized in 178 to 190 countries. Like you can have jobs in around 170 to 190 countries, and you can become an accountant. Okay, through the help of this qualification. You can visit the its website. It's accglobal.com, and here if you want to know more information about it, so you guys can visit this website, and I will share its link in the description. Okay, so it will be helpful for you. So there are 13 papers in ACCA, and there are 13 papers in ACCA, and if you are coming from and if students are unsure that what should they do in the future, so they can become an accountant. Okay, if they are not sure that what should they do, so they can do ACCA. And if they are coming from if someone has done 12th grade or 10th grade and they are coming from an engineering background, then they have to do an advanced qualification, like an additional qualification, okay, to enter ACCA, and that will be FIA foundation in accounting. So in the there are 7 exams in foundation in accountancy. Okay, and the exams will be FA1, FA2, MA1, MA2, F1, F2, and F3. And after completing these 7 exams, you will get 3 papers of exemption in ACCA out of 13. Okay, that will be F1, F2, and F3. Okay, then these are the exams that I was talking about: F1, F2, and F3. Now their names has been changed according to the name of the subject. Like F1 was used to be business and technology, MA1 was used to be F2 was used to be management accounting, F3 was used to be FA, financial accounting. Okay, so these are the exams, and in F1 you will know about the business, what concludes a business and what is in a business, like this, about the ethics of a business, and how you should behave in your organization, and who are the stakeholders, like who are those people who are connected with your organization. Okay, then in F2 exam in MA, you can do costing of a product, that you can determine a cost of a product, you can determine that what should be the salary of an employee, okay, according to whether it will be according to hours or it will be according to the number of units that an employee or an staff will produce. Now about financial accounting, like F3. In this subject, you will get to know about that how you are going to record your transactions. Okay, because you have to show the owners of the company that how much profit a company has attained in a week, in a year, in a month, in a quarter. Okay, on a half yearly basis. So this way you means this is a subject that will help you to tell the owners about it. Now these 3 were the applied knowledge exams. These are the basic level exams, and they are easy to pass. And moving on to the next portion. Now from here it begins the ACCA part 2. So, and its name is like applied skill exams, and there are 6 exams in it. Corporate and business law. In this exam you will know about the laws, that what are the laws that a company should follow. These will be the UK laws, and UK laws are going to be similar with the local laws as well. Okay, performance management is an advanced exam of MA. Okay, it's like it was used to be F5, and it's also said it's a difficult exam. It's one of the most difficult exam in ACCA to pass, and it's a more advanced level of cost accounting. Okay, so in this subject you will know that what should be the price of your product, and uh, what should be the point that whether your company will earn no profit or earn no loss. Okay, so there are many different chapters in the subject, so you guys will know about it after opting this exam. Okay, in taxation, it is said to be like F6. Tax is available in different variants like UK tax, Pakistani tax, Indian tax. Okay, and different kind of like taxes like for example Nigerian tax or Saudi tax, like that. Through tax you guys will be able to compute tax of an individual, that how much an individual should pay to the government. Okay, and you will also be able to know that how much a company should pay tax to the government, how much tax you will charge, and how much tax relief or benefits you will get. Okay, so this exam is a good exam, and it's one of my favorite exam in this year. Now the other exam is financial reporting, FR, which was F7, and it's an advanced exam of F3, which was financial accounting. And here like you have to apply international accounting standards, like you have to know about international accounting standards. International accounting standards are the standards that are told by, or that are, what can you say, that are told to apply in the companies, that how a company should record its transaction. Okay, so and how a company should report their profits, how a company should give benefits to employees, how they will, like how they can record each and every transaction, how can they can record loan transactions, cash balances, bank balances, okay, expenses and incomes, like this. Okay, the next subject is audit and assurance, which is F8, and it's also one of the most difficult exam to pass by many candidates and many students. So as you know that in FR, in financial reporting, you guys have to tell the owner of a company that whether company is in loss or profit. Okay, so now if imagine if you are the owner of a company, like if you have invested in a company, if you are the shareholder of the company, and you are not visiting your organization where you have invested, and you are like feeling a fear that whether your the employees in the company are doing some frauds, or whether they are not technically competent, whether they are reporting you wrong profit. Okay, so that's where, and that's where the shareholder acquires services of an audit firm. Okay, and auditors are from the audit firms, so auditors will check each and every transaction on a sample basis. Okay, that how much the company has misstated their profits. Okay, how much they have overstated their expenses to get tax relief, like that. So you will get the knowledge about it once you study it. Okay, so that's the exam, and it's one of the most easiest exam to study, but very difficult to pass. So F9, financial management, FM. Okay, this subject here, by the help of this subject you will be able to know that if someone will tell you that now we are going to launch a new product, but we are unsure that whether we are going to get returns over the amount we have invested, okay, in the next 5 years. Like if you have invested around $100,000 in launching a new product, but you are not sure that whether you will get sufficient returns from it, which like through which you can get benefits over the amount you have invested, okay. So this exam will really help you on it. Now moving on to the next question, strategic professional level exams. Okay, these are the most toughest exams in ACCA and very difficult to pass exams. So there are 6 exams in strategic professional level, and among these 6 exams, there are 2 exams which are essential, which are mandatory, which are compulsory to do: strategic business leadership (SBL) and strategic business reporting. SBL, in the subject of SBL, you guys will know that how you should comply with the ethics, how that you have to make sure whether company is doing anything wrong, okay. So you have to report it, you have to behave ethically, okay. Like if you have a factory and it's emitting carbon dioxide, and imagine if this factory is at a place where there are lives, like where there is nature, like plants, animals, ocean, sea, okay. And with your factory, it's means through the emission of carbon dioxide, it's affecting the nature. So you have to be ethical, okay. You have to do something to reduce the emissions of carbon dioxide. Or there are many other ethical reasons or issues that you have to tackle in the subject. Okay, SBR is a more advanced exam of F7, and here you have to, you will be able, means by studying this subject you will be able to know that how you are going to acquire another company, okay. What is going to be the accounting of another company if you are going to acquire it, or if you are going to dispose it, if you are going to sell another company, that how you are going to report it, okay. If you are getting around 10% investment in a company, that how your transaction will be calculated, and how you have to report a transaction. If you are acquiring around 20% to 50% of shares in a company, then how your means how you should report that transaction, okay. If you are doing like, if you are acquiring around 51% equity interest, 51% of shareholding in the company, that how you are going to report it. So there are different kind of ways to treat it according to international financial reporting standards, okay. These, as I've told you, that these are standards that every company have to follow, like every listed company can follow it, okay. So as I've told you that among 6 professional exams, 2 exams are compulsory, but the rest of the 4 exams, there are 2 exams that you can only take, like you can opt only 2 exams out of these 4 exams. So first exam is advanced financial management. It's an advanced subject of financial management, which was F9. And performance management is the advanced exam of of F5, okay. Financial performance management. Advanced taxation is the more advanced variant of taxation, which was F6. Advanced audit and assurance is more advanced subject of F8, okay. So these exams are difficult to pass. And so this was about the papers of ACCA, that how many papers are there, and what are the rules, what kind of knowledge you are going to get after completing each exam. So that's how you will know about ACCA. So some part of ACCA, like from corporate law, means from FA1 to F4, like to corporate and business law, there are different kind of dates you are going to be issued by the learning providers, and they are going to take your test, okay. and your test will be submitted to ACCA, and they will check it. Then they will give you the exam. Then they will give you the marks. Okay. Then the other exams, the rest of the exams, they are quarterly attempts in a year. There are like 4 quarters in the year: March, June, September, and December. Okay, so you have to attempt this exam on a quarterly basis. And the fee structure of ACCA is like you have to pay the exam fees of ACCA in pounds. Okay, but you can pay the lecture fees in your own local currency as well if you are studying from your local tutor. So that was the fee structure, and it will vary from level to level. Like different fees start for applied knowledge level exams, for applied skill level exams, for strategic professional level exams. So you can know about the fee structure by contacting ACCA or visiting their website. So that was about ACCA, and after doing ACCA you will become an ACCA qualified, and you have to get around 3 years of practical experience, so that after that you will get an ACCA membership. Okay, like you have to do 3 years of articleship or apprenticeship, like this. So that was about ACCA, and within ACCA offers you two more qualifications. Like if once you have done F1 to F9, then you will be able to get the degree from Oxford Brookes University, which is BSc honors in applied accounting. So you can get this degree as well with the help of ACCA. If you are coming from an ACCA route, then you guys can have this degree. ACCA also offers MSc. Okay, you will get exemptions after completing specific exams in ACCA. You will get the exemption of MSc degree. Okay, so this is the structure, and like uh, if you are opting two exams, like in professionals, if you are opting to exam which is ATX and AAA, then you will be eligible to do ICAEW. ICAEW is another professional qualification. You can become the full form of ICAEW is international, Institute of Chartered Accountancy of England and Wales. So you guys can do it as well if you have a view that if you have a mindset that whether you want to advance in your if you want to go more advanced in your studies, so you guys can do it as well. Okay, so that was about ACCA. And once you will get once you have completed your ACCA, you have became an ACCA qualified, so you can get different kind of jobs in ACCA. Okay, if you will just search ACCA careers, so you can see that there are 49,799 jobs, and they are offered globally. Like here you can select the location where you want to have a job. Here also you guys can select that in which country, in which area you want to get a job. So there are different kind of jobs in different roles. Like let me just give you a demo. Let me just search it. Let me see that what will be the results. You can see that in Europe there are 35,506 jobs available related to ACCA. You can see the what can you say the description of different kind of roles with different kind of jobs. Okay, and it's available in different countries as well. Many companies are hiring ACCA. Okay, so you can find jobs of ACCA here. These are the roles like management accountant, financial analyst, audit consultant, chief data office, data management associate. Okay, like you can get these roles if after completing ACCA. So, and there are many other platforms as well where you guys can search job in ACCA according to ACCA. Okay, so that was about the ACCA, and I have gave you a very detailed information about it. But if you want to explore more about ACCA, you guys can go to the description, and you guys can uh, check about ACCA, that whether it's a good thing for you guys or not. So it's on you that whether you are you if you want to do ACCA, that indeed you are going to explore about it. Okay, so that's it for today, and I will be back to you guys in the next video with another topic. So we'll see you in the next video. Okay, take care and see you guys, and have a good day.